Stephen from Northwest Houston has a question about PEX piping.
He has a lot of repairs to make.
Yeah.
Well, Stephen writes, my house was damaged in the explosion last week.
Meantime, we go to Houston, where a massive explosion rocked parts of the city overnight. Porch cam video shows just how powerful the blast was.
It was about 800 yards away from the house, and the house jumped and walls moved, and I have old metal pipes in the attic. He wants to know, would PEX piping be the way to go? What's your thought first, Stephen?
Well, if it moved that much, he's going to take that house down and rebuild it. So it's going to be brand new to today's standards. And they're going to make sure in the city of Houston you are at today's standards, not from way back when. And PEX piping is the most popular piping used in new construction right now. And this virtually is going to be a new constructed home. You can't move the house back on the foundation. So, yeah, PEX piping. My favorite was the Uponor product. And I like the commercial grade because it's freeze-proof. And it works very well. And you can... you use a manifold system or a fixture unit system to plumb it in according to what your plumber wants to do, but it's a good pipe.
So it's going to cost a little more.
With today's standards,
yeah,
and you went through this with this building, the codes have changed, and the building is going to be built to better standards, and he's going to have to if it's City of Houston, and I do believe that was City of Houston.
Northwest.
Yeah, so.
All right. But you say he better check the structure before he does anything about the pipes.
If what you read to me, if it moved off the foundation,
I'm just reading what he wrote.
You can't put it back. I mean, you can tear sections of it down, or you can just take the whole thing down, which is usually the best thing. And I have a feeling his insurance company will max him out if he had decent insurance.
Do you think it's possible that some people that were in that blast zone are going to try to muddle through and not do things like that?
I don't know. It depends. The insurance company should pay for it, at least max him out.
If they have insurance.
Well, that's true. You got to have insurance to get insurance. Yeah. There's no doubt about it.
Well, I mean, I'm sure there are people in there.
Have a house with no homeowner's
somebody
insurance.
whose house is paid for. They might cut a corner, not renew their insurance.
All I can say is it's not very smart.
No.
All
right, you got a question? Go ahead and send it to us, whether you're smart or not. We'll help you out. Okay. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. You fill it out, you send it in,
Ding.
we'll answer it, just like this one.